How to shop on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can shop on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to shop using Instagram app, it is very simple, because all you have to do is just go to Instagram app, and sometimes instead of the reels icon you'll basically have the shop icon, right? But if you also do not find that, then you can just go ahead and browse through any page that has a product, right? So in this case I'm just going to go to a product page, let's say, and I'm just going to search for a specific person or their specific store. Once I search for someone's specific store, I can simply head to their shop. If I just select the view shop button, and then I'll be able to see all of the products inside of their shop. Or else what I can do is I can just go ahead and then look for all the other products inside of it. I can browse on categories, I can select the product here, and then I can select view on website, or I can send a message to them directly if I want to buy this product. This way you can shop on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.